Hey, what's up guys? This is Waleed. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be teaching you on how to use your pen tool. So guys, this video will be divided into two parts. The first part will be about what is pen tool, how to use it, and what kind of shapes you can create from pen tool. And the second part I'll tell you on how to trace using your pen tool. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, I'll have this option to create a new document. I have the A4 size, the letter size, the poster card, custom, and letter and web large. So I'll simply select the A4 size option. So once I have this A4 size window, I have told you about the selection tool and the direct selection tool. So the third tool is the pen tool. Guys, this is the most important tool and you can use it like actually anywhere you want. If you don't see your pen tool here, you can simply go in this edit toolbar option and simply select the pen tool and drag it. My pen tool is already here, so I'll just show you how to drag it. I'll just select this polar grid tool, drag it, and see the tool is here. You can also merge the two tools. I'll drag this polar tool on the rectangular grid tool, and see now this tool is one. I'll left click on this tool. Now I can see the other tool. I'll left click on this and I want to select this one. Okay, so you can obviously do it. This is a side information. So select your pen tool, select a point, then select another point. What pen tool does is it creates a line between the two or more points you have created using your mouse, obviously. So I'll delete this. I'll select this point. See, this is a line window. It gives me the variety that I can select another point wherever in this 360 window I want. So I select this point. Further, if I want to stop, I'll press escape, and if I want to create another point after this, I'll select this point and then select the other point I want. This one, this one, this one, this one, here, and then close part. So guys, if you want to create any irregular polygon or any irregular shape which is not present in these, like it's not a circle, rectangular, ellipse, or any star tool, so you can create any irregular polygon using the pen tool. I'll tell you one more thing, guys. If you want to create line at angles, like if you want to create a line at 0 degree or 45 or 90 or 180 or 270 or 360 degree, you can obviously create a line. You will select the one point, and while going towards the other point, you will keep pressing the shift on your keyboard. So the shift has been pressed, and now you can see the line is not moving anywhere. It is moving at the difference of 45 angle, like on 0, on 45, on 90, and so on. So I'll select this point and then an horizontal line at 0 degree with the length of 127 millimeter, and then while pressing shift, another point, and then another point, and then another point. Guys, did you see that pink lines which guided me to complete my shape? You can obviously turn on these pink lines. You will go in the view option, in the toolbar option, and then turn on the smart guides. These smart guides are very helpful. They can help you in create many shapes and figures. And obviously the shortcut for this smart guide is Control U. So I'll just delete. Okay, now I've told you how to create line at different angles, but you can not only create lines using your pen tool, you can also create curves. What I will do is I'll select on one point, I will go on the other point, but while going on the other point, I'll just click and then drag. While I drag, it creates a curve, and then click in the center. I'll show you again. One point, second point, and then drag, then click in the center, and then the second point, and then drag. See, I can create an eye. You can also enter a circle. See, it's a very bad eye actually, but I'm just giving you the idea of what kind of things you can create using your pen tool. So I'll show you something interesting. So I'll again select my pen tool. I'll select this point and then this point. I'll just drag it like here and then click in the center. Once I've clicked it, I'll go in the selection tool, left click, transform, reflect, vertical, okay, preview, angle, I'll vertical, preview, copy. Now it had created a copy. I'll go in the direct selection tool, I'll left click, transform, reflect, vertical, 90 and a copy. So simply drag this to the center and see, this is a McDonald's sign. You can obviously increase this a little bit because it had that much, and not this one. Okay, now you can obviously change the color. To the yellowish part in the McDonald's option. So in the properties, increase the size of the stroke. Kill there. See, you can. So this was just an example as to what you can do using your pen tool. So guys, in the next video, I'll be teaching you on how to trace using a pen tool. So stay connected. If you have any query, comment down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, subscribe and do give your feedback.